it's going to be when we get out here?
It's gonna be 82 degrees because that's what the pilot said.
Ooh, just feels like a warm blanket covering you immediately here in Florida. Had to get this man some coffee.
We stopped for you. I just happened to get some. Driving to the beach.
Beach day, baby.
Son of a beach.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah.
We got our coffees.
Yeah, I got a cold brew.
Got some snacks.
Chilana got
Iced hazelnut latte.
you got the bacon Gouda breakfast sandwich. You got some snacks for later. You got a Chobani yogurt and some fruit.
But yeah, this is an exciting day because we come to Florida a lot, and usually it's during the holidays and it's cold and so
rainy.
I can't ever really take Carson to the beach.
And now we're going to the beach.
We get to have a true Florida beach day.
Full on beach day, baby. Just beaching. It's gonna be beaching.
Got any more beach jokes?
Look at that. How fun that is. Are those houses there, I guess?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
All those people are like coping out.
Yeah, look, the house, like that house has got its own beach right there. That's so cool.
Now's the really fun part. We get to try to find our friends at the beach. Where are they?
Lily.
Hi, Lily! We found them.
Sorry to get your face a little bit.
Sergio Santos
Take one.
on the vlog. This is my best friend in the whole world's dad. I've known him since I was, how old? 13? 14?
Yeah,
What do you want to say?
she was a terrible basketball player.
Actually, that's true. I was a terrible basketball player. Nina, your dad just said I was a terrible basketball player.
Yeah, we were both terrible basketball players.
But it's okay.
We had fun, but we were terrible.
We used to sit on the bench together and pray that we wouldn't get put in the game.
Yeah, no. And literally, it's like from here, I would pass it, and it would just she couldn't catch it for like a year, I think.
Huh?
What's up with that?
Yeah, I couldn't catch the basketball for a long time.
It's like the easiest thing in the world to catch. It's a big circle, big round
You have
ball.
to use hands. You have to use your hand. And
I know, but I got nervous and then I psyched myself out and then I just couldn't catch it. So then I quit. Just dropped Carson off at the gym. I have decided to come to the best place in the world, Target. My little sister just got her first big girl salary job, has her own office and desk and everything, so I thought it'd be fun to come to Target and kind of put together a little gift basket of cute office accessories for her. So that's what we're looking for. now we have to decide if we're gonna stand here for 10 minutes or just run through the rain.
Probably I'm gonna end up going to get the car and picking her up.
That's not true. That's not true.
You wanna run?
We're gonna run.
We're gonna run?
We're gonna run.
You ready?
We're gonna run.
He's gonna love it.
All right, so my baby shower is in 2 days and we've decided to make some DIY cute little cups. So my little sister has this awesome Cricut machine and she's gonna basically teach me how to make them and help me make them. So that's what we're doing tonight. First thing we are doing this morning is a kayaking tour through the mangroves of Sarasota Bay. We booked with Sea Life Kayak Adventures, and I would recommend doing these things early in the morning, as early as possible, because we are in Florida and it gets very, very hot very early in the day. I am very excited for this because I pretty much grew up in Florida my whole life and have never done anything like this.
All right, let's do it.
Well, we're a little late, but we made it.
Just in time.
Just in time, just as they were launching. And here we are in Sarasota Bay.
This time of year, it's mating season. So we call it a mating vault. They're being removed off the endangered species list back in 2016. Last time they surveyed, roughly about 6,600.
He's like right there.
Two manatees out front here. Today, by far the best part of the tour. After we get a couple more seconds. They use the cormorant as a method of fishing over in China.
More shallow.
Yeah, I don't know.
So we found these things that we thought were jellyfish, and it turns out they are jellyfish. And there's a lot of them here. Let's see if I can find one. I forget the official name of them, but she said they called them upside down jellyfish. Just be itchy.
You'll be fine. Just hold it for a second.
Now my hand is a little itchy. This is so cool. I've never been in a mangrove tunnel before.
Neither.
It's very quiet and peaceful.
Very nice and shady.
No mosquitoes.
No.
Is your hand still itchy?
No. Yours?
Nope. My hand was very itchy, and then she poured some cold water on it, and now it's not itchy anymore.
That was vodka.
I think she was just kidding. I think it was water. Guy back there is having a rough time. Lost his paddle, lost his flip-flops. It's dangerous out here in these mangrove tunnels. Look, it's a mangrove, baby. I'm ready to make this gift basket for my sister. I'm actually in my childhood room right now, so that's why I got all these stuffed animals and things in this closet behind me. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you what I got. First, we got some snacks that are easy to keep and heat up. A little bit of this, because I know she likes kombucha. These are all the office goodies that I got her. Gold paper clips from this brand, Sugar Paper. I love their office supplies, and I have these in my house, and I absolutely love them. I use them all the time. Really cute marble and gold desktop organizer. See, she can put her gold paper clips right in this little gold bucket. It'll be so cute. Got some pens, some stickers just for fun, more stickers, some more gold pens. We're really sticking with the gold theme here. $50 Visa gift card. I don't know what kind of office business clothes she likes, so I figured she could just go and get some on her own. A wall calendar. This is also from Sugar Paper. Like I said, I really love all of their office supplies, really cute stuff. And then just a cute little pouch to put everything in. Alright, so there we go. We got all of our stuff. Added a cute little plant for the office. Hi.
Hi.
How was your run?
It was hot and humid.
It's because we're in Florida.
I know.
Sure is pretty sunsets in Florida.
Mm-hmm.
Our shoes off and put our toes in the sand. Okay, good. Maybe a little wiggle for good measure. Where?
I think it's just a shell. It's really light. It's just a shell.
Oh, that's it. It's just a shell. Cool looking. It's really pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so warm. Nice. It's like perfect water temperature.
Yeah, it is. And how to worry in the world. Life is good today.
We are in an area of Sarasota called St. Armands Circle. This is one of my favorite places in Sarasota, so I wanted to bring Carson down here to show him. But yeah, there's a ton of like restaurants and cute little boutique shops here. And Carson made us a dinner sunset reservation.
I did. I made it at a restaurant called Shore. I really just had to go off of what Yelp said. This one seems like a pretty good one. I think there's a lot of really good restaurants to eat around here. So we'll see how this one is. The beach right behind, well, not right behind us, but it's called Lido Beach. We just kind of walked on there for a little bit, put our feet in the water, put our toes in the sand. It was nice.
And you sang toes in the sand.
I did. Yeah.
Whoa, that's cool. Fresh pasta to go. Ooh, that looks fun. What'd you get?
Oh, I did the 24, which is bad.
What'd you get?
I got a slushy to go. It is a pina colada mixed with a margarita, so it's got rum and tequila. I also got an extra shot of rum in it, yeah.
Mine is just a plain strawberry slushy. Because I'm pregnant. I mean, because I'm
Let me
pregnant.
try yours. Pretty good.
I was just telling Diana, we always end up doing bouquets together.
I love these. They're so cute. I like your dress. Hello. What time is it? And what time did it start?
Let me show you my Google Maps.
Let me explain.
All right, what we got over here? Oh, I just got bingo, but I don't want to win. I'm not allowed to.
Teddy bear.
Huh?
Teddy bear. What is that?
Everybody got bingo?
How many sheets? How many sheets of toilet paper? So how many of those is it going to take? You have pockets in your dress. I do.
I'm definitely telling my kid that these are called snack pockets.
Yeah.
Only for snacks.
Only for snacks.
Nice toilet paper. This is Charmin.
Okay, so we're doing the toilet paper review.
Hold it on your belly.
It's a karate belt. Okay. Love her so much. Let's just do a prom pose.
Just like, I don't think I did anything else.
My mom, everybody. Insert affirmations. Remember, donut give up.
when what you're doing gets tough.
Exactly.
Alexa.
That is so cute.
Oh, an egg!
I made that for you.
You made it?
Yeah. It's a romper. Is it like a little?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Oh, we love you so much, Already. You're gonna be so cute. Your outfit's gonna be so cute. I'm so ready.
This is Alexa. She's going to be your stylist.
Hi, I'm a personal stylist. We're ready for your fall collection and spring. Can't wait.
Good morning, everyone. Here we are. We are driving to a place called Crystal River.
It's our last day in Florida. I'm super excited because we're going to do something that I have been wanting to do for years. And I grew up in Florida. I've never done this thing. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You just have to wait a couple minutes. And
We're not going to say?
No.
Okay.
Let's make it a surprise. But it's really cool.
Man, I could really go for some tea right now.
Kind of tea.
Some manatee.
Alright, so first we gotta put our wetsuits on, get outfitted, and then get ready to go. Oh, we got lucky. We're getting a private tour because nobody else booked the 10 o'clock boat ride.
You know, it's very rare that you can swim with a wild animal that doesn't want to
Kill you?
to eat you, and that isn't afraid of you. So those really two factors, you know, make this experience really special for you guys. We're going to be on Kings Bay. It is all fresh water. The river is out by that far idle sign, and that's 7 to 8 miles to the Gulf of Mexico. Manatees are supposed to migrate throughout the year. They'll go to find the warmest water, and our manatees are just too lazy to do that. They got here, there's lots of grass, lots of fresh water, lots of lady manatees, all their favorite things.
Like a retirement home.
A retirement home for the manatees.
This is Jake and Hina. Jake's our captain, and Hina is going to be our in-the-water guide / photographer.
So this is Nature's Discovery. We're locally owned and operated, and right now we specialize in small passenger vessels like this. These guys got lucky and got a private tour, just the two of them. So we try to keep it small and intimate and just get you up close and personal with the wildlife.
First manatee spotting. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is way colder than I thought it was going to be. Ah, it's really cold. We're out here. We're looking for manatees.
Yep.
We saw one but swam away, so we're going to look for some more.
On a lot of these tours we've done this year, there just hasn't been anybody doing them, so we've been able to kind of get a private experience for public cost, I guess.
Yeah, it's been really nice.
Yeah.
We have been lucky. That's happened to us a couple times. We'll put the link to the exact tour that we did in the notes below. Yeah, I'm just so excited. That was so cool. I've always wanted to do that. We did it. A manatee tried to eat my hair. It was awesome. A little scary, but mostly awesome.
Manatee kissed her face. Manatee kissed my face.
What did we learn about manatees?
They don't have any predators.
They don't even experience fear because they don't have an amygdala.
Yeah. They're missing the part of their brain. It doesn't allow them to have aggression.
That's the amygdala. It's not that they don't have fear. It's that they don't have the ability to be aggressive. They also told us about another place that's just 10 minutes down the road from here. It's called Homosassa Wildlife State Park or something like that. But yeah, so we are now going there to check that out and see what animals they have.